The claim.
The people who know about this are the people in the medical community, and they have determined that there's no medical value to the smoking of marijuana.
False. The facts. At least 33 major medical associations have endorsed legal protections for seriously ill patients who use medical marijuana in accordance with state law, including 4 major medical associations in Minnesota. The proof. Organizations which either support access to medical marijuana for seriously ill patients or have endorsed legal protections for those who use medical marijuana as permitted under state law include the Minnesota Public Health Association, the Minnesota Nurses Association, the American College of Physicians, and the Leukemia and Lymphoma Society. In addition, hundreds of Minnesotan doctors and thousands of Minnesotan nurses have signed statements of principle in support of the medical marijuana bill. On the other hand, not a single doctor testified against the bill in any legislative hearing. To learn more about the facts regarding medical marijuana, please visit minnesotacares.org.